Good morning and welcome back to the online classes. Today let us study about the diagrammatic representation of geographical features, which means how the different geographical features are diagrammatically expressed on a map. First, let us study about the rivers. What is a river? A river is a body of water that flows downhill in a channel, usually towards the ocean. What is a river? A river is a body of water that moves or flows from a mountain through a channel. Usually they are moving towards the seas and oceans. Usually rivers start its journey from the higher slopes of a mountain, and a large number of small rivers and streams will be joined with the parent river. The entire area drained by the river and its tributaries is known as drainage system. The entire area means the whole area through which the river and its tributaries move is known as the drainage system. The life of a river can be divided into three stages. Life means from the beginning of the river. Usually the beginning of the river will be on the top of the mountains to the end of the river. Usually the end of the river will be in oceans and seas. The life of a river can be divided into three stages. They are the upper course or the stage of youth, the middle course or the stage of maturity, the lower course or the stage of old age. A river is a stream of water flowing from higher ground level to a lower ground level. In the lower classes, we have learned the different properties of water. Among the different properties of water, an important property of the water is water will be moving from higher ground level to lower ground level. Now let us study about the origin of the river. The origin means the place from where the river starts its journey. Usually it will be a mountain or a slope of a mountain, and it is called the source of the river. And the place where the river ends its journey is called mouth of the river. Usually the mouth of the river will be water bodies like oceans and seas. And near the mouth of the river can make deltas. Deltas are the triangular pieces of land found near the mouth of the river. In every stage of or in the every course of the river forms a large number of landforms. Now let us study in detail about the three stages of the river. First, the upper course. Here the river flows very speedily and it generally forms V-shaped valleys because the water is moving through the steep gradient. In the upper course, the river will be moving with a great speed because the water will be moving over the mountains, slopes of the mountains, and on its way it can make V-shaped valleys. The movement of the water can be blocked by constructing dams across the rivers, and the water can be used for the generation of electricity, and the electricity which is produced from the power of running water is called hydroelectricity. Now let us move to the second stage, that is the middle course. In the middle course or in the second stage, the speed of the water will be reduced because now the water is moving through the plains without much slopiness. So the river will begin to deposit the loads which were carried from the mountains. It starts its depositional work in the middle course, and also it will create different land forms like meanders and oxbow lakes. Many tributaries will be joining with the river in its middle course. What is tributaries? Tributaries are the small rivers and streams which are joining with the main river or parent river. Now let us move to the third stage, that is the lower course. Usually in the lower course, the river will be moving through exactly a plane. So the movement of water will be very slow. Due to its slow movement of water, even the fine silt will be deposited over this area. And as a result of the deposition of fine silt, there is possibility for the creation of deltas. The deltas will create a large number of divisions, or the river will be divided into a large number of channels. And this large number of channels which are found near the mouth of the river is called distributaries. The best example of the delta formed in India by the river Ganges is called Sundarban Delta. It is in West Bengal. That is the end of today's class. Thank you very much for listening to my class.